Hello and welcome back. Today, I want to teach you guys how to make a perfect laundry or multi-purpose soap at home. So if you have been wanting to learn how to make soap, tablet soap, and you don't know, today I'm going to teach you how to do this. I will drop a very wonderful recipe. Over here are the ingredients I'll be using for this soap production. They are displayed on my work table. So what I'll be doing next is to highlight them with their recipe. So this is my caustic soda. Most people know it as lye. I'm using 475 grams. Then over here is the water I'll be using to dissolve the caustic. I'm making use of 1160 grams. So I'm going to dissolve the caustic soda directly into the water. Once I'm done pouring it inside, I'm going to stir it properly until all of my caustic soda has properly dissolved inside my water. Once this has dissolved, I will keep it aside for the mixture to cool down. Reason because when you dissolve caustic soda, the mixture usually becomes very hot. So you want this temperature to cool down before using it to make your soap. Whatsoever soap you're making with caustic, you have to keep your caustic solution for it to cool down for safety purpose. Over here is the oils we'll be using for this project. I'm making use of two types of oil. I'm making use of a soft oil called groundnut oil, that is 700 grams. Then I'm making use of a hard oil called palm kernel oil, and I'm making use of 2300 grams. I'm going to mix both oils together. Then after I've mixed them together, I'm going to warm it. When making soap, it's always good to warm your oil. Warming the oil will avoid a thick trace. You don't want a thick trace when making soap like this. Over here, this is the soap equipment we sell. This is a soap mold. This goes for 10,500 naira only. If you need this equipment, you can reach us on WhatsApp through those mobile number. Just chat us up on WhatsApp if you want to purchase this equipment. We deliver it nationwide. Wheresoever you are in Nigeria, we can send this equipment down to you. We also send it to other countries just in case you need it. So this is my oil. I have warmed it. It is warm. It's not hot. It is warm. Warm the oil. Don't cook it. Just warm it. Make sure it is warm. Once it is warm and your caustic soda solution has cooled down, you now start the production. That's my sodium silicate. I'm making use of 200 grams. I'll pour it directly into my oil. And this is my color. I'm making use of an oil soluble color. So that's why I'm pouring it directly into my oil. I'm using oil soluble color, so I'm pouring it directly into my oil. Then I will stir it properly. I'm adding more color because I don't feel the color is enough. So I'll keep on adding color till I think I've gotten to the desired color that I am looking for, or the desired appearance. So if you are making use of an oil soluble color, always pour it directly into your oil. So I conduct online classes just in case you want to join a class or a group where you can learn how to make soap and the rest of the other cosmetics that I teach you on YouTube, like the body cream, the hair shampoo, the liquid soap, the powder detergent, the tablet soap, the organic soap, the soap base, the bleach, the Dettol. There's a lot you will learn from my online class. Just do well by reaching me through the video link, or you reach me on WhatsApp through these mobile numbers here I have displayed on the screen of this video. You chat me up on WhatsApp to join our classes. There you will learn a lot. You learn how to make the laundry soap, the powder detergent, the body cream, the organic soap, the soap base, liquid soap, hair shampoo, hair conditioner, bleach, Dettol. There's a lot you learn there. If you are having issues making soap properly, you will be taught how to make soap properly at my online class. If you have issues knowing how to do or come up with your own recipe and measurements, you'll be taught that in my online class also. So do well by reaching me to join our trainings. You will learn how to produce soap, and you will learn a skill and start making money. You're going to learn a skill that will fetch you a lot of money. So do well by joining our trainings. The next thing I'll be doing is to cover my soap. I don't want my soap to have soda ash. I don't want the formation of soda ash. You know that whitish thing that forms on soap? I want to avoid this, so I'll cover it. After 24 hours, this is how the soap looks like. I'm going to bring it out of this mold. Don't forget, I said if you need this soap mold, if you need any of our equipment, we sell a lot of equipment. If you need any of our equipment, reach us on WhatsApp to purchase them. We distribute them nationwide all over Nigeria, and we send them to other countries just in case you are interested. We also produce soap stamps, we produce soap trimmers, we produce groove makers, we also produce soap cutters. We have varieties of cutters, we have varieties of soap mold. There's a lot of equipment we sell just in case you need an equipment to take your soap making skill to the next level. Reach us on WhatsApp to purchase them. So you can see how beautiful this our soap looks like. And the next thing I want to be doing is to cut them into tablets. You can choose to sell them as long bars like this, or you cut them into tablets. It just depends on what your customer wants. If your customer wants them in long bars like this, you can sell it in long bars. If your customer wants them in tablets, then you purchase our cutter. This cutter will help you cut the soap in tablets in very accurate form. If you want your soap to be cut in accurate size and shape, then you need this cutter. This cutter gives you a precise cutting. You don't have one soap looking bigger than the other. This cutter is just 22,000 naira. If you need it, we can send it to you. Just reach us on WhatsApp to purchase the soap cutter. We deliver nationwide, and we also send to other countries. This is a precision soap cutter. And if you are watching this video for the first time, do well by subscribing to this channel. Do well by following me. If you are watching it on Facebook or on TikTok, do well by following me. If you are watching this on YouTube, you can also hit the notification bell so that you'll be updated by my newest and latest videos. So I want to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to follow me. Don't forget to join my class. Don't forget to purchase your soap equipment. And also, thank you once more for watching this video. Goodbye and have a lovely day.